Hi, my name is Shazmi Young Haziq bin Abi Wahab. My name is Muhammad Syafiq bin Zakaria.
My name is Khairul Nazujud.
My name is Yap Chao Min.
My name is Nur Fazli binti Muhammad Fazlah.
And my name is Sanifah binti Murad.
And
We are
from Group 6.
Right, today we want to show you the tutorial how we set up a total session for detail survey. Okay, first we need a tripod. Next, this is the most important thing, total station.
Next, we need two prism.
Next, we need 2 poles.
Firstly, a measuring tape.
Next, we need to find a point to set up our total station. Let's go. Here is our point.
Okay, now we are going to set up this umbrella to protect our total station from sunlight.
Okay, now we are going to set up our tripod. First, we unclip this pin and put this here. Unclip each. And we put it until same height as our neck. We're going to open it, but not too wide and not too narrow. You must make sure that this hole is center with the spot, and then you must step on this to make it really stable. Next, we want to set up this total station. First, we open the box carefully. Our left hand hold this, and then this, tighten the screw. Okay. Next, we have to put the battery on this total station. You have to make sure that this arrow downwards. Okay. Then this upward first, then downward. That's all. Okay. Then after that, we have to switch on the total station. This is the button. We put now. You can see here. It's L for laser. So we press it for on the laser. Laser is hovered here. We have to make sure that the laser is on top of the nail. Now the laser is here. The laser. We have to make sure that this laser on top of the nail. Now we want to adjust the laser. Make sure the laser on top of the nail. So we use this. We can okay. Make sure this two for the left or right horizontal. And only one for vertical. After that, we have to make sure that the bubble on this total station is on that circle, inside the circle. What we need to do is we can adjust this leg. We can adjust. After we can see that the bubble is inside the circle, now we can turn off the laser and then we press OK.
First, we need to create a new job, and we press escape until we see the data. Press in data, job selection, and list. We create a new job which is 27, which is also 27. Next, press escape until we see measure, and then press function, topple, and occupy. Next, we set our northing coordinate, easting coordinate, height, and our point is 106.
So to measure the height of instrument, we have to measure from the top of the nail until we reach that point.
Then the height of instrument, and then press OK. After we calculate our back bearing, we key in the back bearing inside our total station. We key in enter BS data, angle, and key in our back bearing and record. Next, we key in our height of back bearing, which is 1.50, and then 0.101, and then press OK.
After that, we want to make sure the coordinate that we get before is the same as the coordinate given. So we go to distance plus coordinate, press enter, and we aim down the 101, and we aim down the prism located there. Measure. Now we check either the coordinate given are the same as before.
Okay, to set up the prism, we have to open this, loosen the screw.
Next, we take out the rubber and
We put the prism on the pole. Okay, and to adjust the height, we push it here.
Now we want to start our detail survey, and this is our target building, which is there.
Okay, to start with, we determine which point, which is there, and we determine the height of the staff, and we set up the code of the building.
now we should make sure the bubble is in the center of this circle.
After the person holding the pole, as center is bubble, now we aim down the prism and press measure. And we record the data